Hi guys, this is Irfan here from smartyincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down the trade that I personally took on GBPUSD. To be honest with you, today is Thursday, March 24th, and so many good setups happened. Beautiful setups on NAS 100, US 30, GBPUSD and EURUSD, but I didn't take all of them. I wanted to take EURUSD, but I didn't for some reason. But I took GBPUSD, which was a beautiful trade, and I want to share it with you guys that what exactly happened. So I'm gonna do a little bit of replay for you to show you exactly what was going on, and then when I woke up, what I saw, and everything related to that. So I woke up at 8 in the morning, so it was 6 a.m. in my time, and this is exactly what I saw. Okay, so this is exactly what I saw. Let me just remove everything so we don't get distracted by that, because nothing really happened here. And then right here, I didn't notice anything because we had a huge wick here because of the news, and then we didn't have any high probability order block. We didn't have any good support and resistance levels that I don't trade personally. No Fibonacci settings, nothing actually formed here. So the only thing I had to do is to wait for the price to form some kind of a pattern or something that it can enter the trade. So I was just waiting and waiting and waiting, and then I noticed that the price is dropping significantly. I didn't trade anything right here, as you can see. I was just waiting and waiting. I didn't even trade on my computer. I took this trade on my phone. Literally, I was preparing breakfast, and then I was checking my trading view account on my phone, and then I noticed this. Okay, I'm gonna get that because I had my alarm ready, so it actually gave me a notification. I entered the trade, and it was profitable. So so we had a liquidity grab here. It's not a liquidity grab, it's a break of a structure. And then if I wanted to use my Fibonacci level from here to here, see that it got respected this, that it respected this golden zone here. So I'm just trying to show you what happened during the process until I took my trade, so you can actually learn something from this strategy that I'm personally using. But you see that after this we had a bearish engulfing candle, and then I think it dropped again. So see, but just using Fibonacci, you can literally do a lot of things. So we had this Fibonacci here, it respected the golden zone. We have a bearish engulfing candle, and even if you take your trade here, you would have had a profitable trade. So let's say I take my short position here, and then I close it somewhere around here. It will be a 1 to risk reward ratio, or I just could leave it all the way to here. So many cool things happened, and then meanwhile I had my demand zone marked here. So this is my demand zone that I was kind of waiting for to get tapped into, but as you can see, this is not a high probability demand zone. The high probability demand zone is actually this one right here. See, it got respected because of the gap here, because of this huge spike, a bullish engulfing candle here that spiked towards upside, and then the next candle never tapped into this zone. So that's why there's a gap between this area and this zone here. So we know that it's a high probability demand zone, and then it literally tapped into this zone. We had a bullish engulfing candle here, and then boom, see, the price just went up like crazy. And then meanwhile I had my supply zone drawn here. So I had my supply zone plus my alarm exactly underneath right here. So it means that whenever the price, I wanted to get informed whenever the price literally tapped into this level, and as you can see, it did. Because of this candle, I checked my notification and I was waiting for more confirmation, and I took my trade right here, put my stop loss here and my TP here. And the reason I took my TP here, first of all, I wanted to take a one-to-one trade. I didn't want to leave it on there. It was already kind of late for me. So, and also we had a high probability demand zone right here. So I thought that it's gonna, reverse or do something like that. But I noticed that we have another one. So this is invalid. We have another one right here. So I could have left the runner all the way to here and take a really good profit, but I didn't. I just closed it, and then as you can see, it literally tapped into this one as well. So it tapped into this one. This one is invalid. I took my trade, and we have a bullish engulfing candle here, but it didn't respect that, and it just came down further and broke below this, and we had a liquidity grab exactly underneath this level. So this is how I trade GBPUSD, guys. Super simple, just using high probability supply and demand zones. And always remember that if you want to trade high probability supply and demand zone, and you get a really good confirmation towards selling or buying, you should always buy or sell after that momentum. So for example, in this case, when you see that the price tapped into this high probability demand zone, you need to wait for the next candle to break above the previous candle, which is this one. And in my case, I had to wait for the candle, for example, for this one, I had to wait for the candle to break below this one. But since this one formed, I had to wait for this one to break below that. So it means that when this one formed, I had to wait for the next candle to break below this, which did, and then here I took my trade because I knew that it's actually breaking below this previous candle here, and also we have a really good confirmation that it's going towards downside. So I just took a chance and took a sell trade, and this is how my profit went. So that's it for this video, guys. Before you go, let me show you the results of Gold Incubator in the past 24 hours on my VPS account, and also in overall we are up 38% in profit since March 7th that we installed this brand new account. It's $1,000, and it's almost making 2%, 1% a day. And if I want to show you my VPS account, it looks like this: account history, and these are all the trades that it took during London session in the past 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. So if you want to grab your license, guys, go check out smartyincubator.com, grab your license, send us an email, and we'll manually activate your account. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.